Gently run the comb through the hair. Beautiful, nice, luscious hair of yours. Okay now, everybody grab a buddy. After Restore gave me my hair, there was a lot I had to learn about having hair. I love the opportunity to open up my home to these bald guys who are about to go to Restore. My name is Brian. I'd like to thank you for coming. Most of you probably know me. You've seen me on the Restore billboards, you know. This guy, look familiar? This, my friends, is a hair dryer. We will use this device to dry your hair after your hair is restored. First, you have to plug it in properly. Plug it in. And then pretend like you're on a nice sandy beach somewhere with the warm air blowing through your sweet new locks.
I was nervous at first, but Brian, he's really helped us. I never knew there was so much to hair care.
With great hair comes great responsibility.
I'm so excited to have my hair restored now.
It was just cool to meet the guy from the billboards. He's very passionate about hair, which is infectious, for better or for worse.
Grab your shampoo and conditioner. Rinse, lather, repeat. Rinse, lather, repeat. Imagine actually using this stuff and just smell it. What's that scent? Satisfaction.
A little weird, to be honest with you. A little strange.
Do you know who this guy is? This is the Brian Urlacher.
I don't really watch hockey.
I receive so much joy watching these guys visualize their lives with hair after they go to Restore. Now I realize I'm the hair authority in Chicago. Hopefully after these guys get their hair, they can go on and pass the torch to other bald guys. Another thing you're gonna wanna learn once you get your hair is a selfie.